Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking essentials, a cloud account, DNS, and a billing plan, then provision storage and a CDN. Once done, deploy a simple origin server with object storage and configure a basic transcoder profile so HLS and Dash work. Make sure to set IAM roles and a staging environment. Use Terraform or CloudFormation to codify infra. You push a minimal app build through CI/CD, verify domain and SSL, and confirm a cached asset serves correctly via CDN edge nodes. Once the origin and CDN are live, you implement the encoding pipeline, generate multi-bitrate renditions, segment for HLS and Dash, and store manifests. Then integrate a player SDK with adaptive bitrate and DRM hooks for secure playback, add subtitles and closed captions. Make sure to design backend services for auth, user profiles, catalog indexing, and recommendation jobs. Use a DB optimized for reads and caches for hot content. Test end-to-end with various networks and devices to validate behavior. You finalize by doing a staged launch. Canary traffic, then gradual ramp to 100%. Monitor latency, startup time, rebuffer rate, and 4xx/5xx errors with dashboards and alerts, and validate SLOs. Configure auto-scaling for origin and transcoding workers, and enable cross-region replication for resilience. If problems arise, check CDN caching headers, mismatched codec profiles, and manifest errors first. These cause most playback failures. If necessary,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.